Hello, we are first year student of Sri Satya Sai Medical College and Research Institute. My name is Ayushi Tripathi and this is my friend.
My name is Sylvia Sinha.
Our biochemistry department has held a CAP program under which we are going to discuss about a topic named Phrinoderma. Now my friend is going to explain you about what is Phrinoderma.
What is phrinoderma? Phrinoderma is a form of follicular hyperkeratosis associated with nutritional deficiency, a rough dry skin eruption marked by keratosis and usually associated with multiple vitamin and essential fatty acid deficiency. It is also known as toad skin. Causes of phrinoderma. It is related to multiple vitamin and essential fatty acid. Phrinoderma takes place due to deficiencies of various nutrients like vitamin A, vitamin B complex, essential fatty acid and vitamin E. Incidence or prevalence. Phrinoderma is more common in Western countries. There are less than 1,000 cases of this disease seen per year in India. It's a rare case in India as not only few amount of population is affected. Clinical features. It is a form of asymptomatic or mildly symptomatic follicular hyperkeratosis where follicular papules of various sizes with central keratotic plaques that block the follicle openings develops on the skin. Biochemical basis of the disease. The level of vitamin A in the blood of patients with phrinoderma may be either low, less than 30 mg per 100 ml or normal. Blood testing revealed low levels of vitamin B2, 5 nanomole per liter, reference range 6.2 to 39 nanomole per liter, and vitamin B6 3.1 nanomole per liter, reference range 20 to 125 nanomole per liter. Vitamin E level is 10, normal 12 to 42 millimole per liter. These vitamin levels may not reflect a clinically apparent deficiency as stores may last up to a year in adults. Severe malnutrition is also associated with reduced albumin levels.
Now we are going to discuss about symptoms and signs of this disease. Phrinoderma is a disease commonly seen in an age group between 5 and 15 years. Skin lesions are characterized by follicular papules with keratotic plug on the extensor surface of the extremities, elbows and knee being the most common area involved, but lesion may also occur at the abdomen, back and buttock, typically sparing the hand, feet and face. Diagnostic studies. Phrinoderma exists and histological finding may vary with the age of the lesion. In general, hyperkeratosis is present with dilated hair follicles featuring the keratin plug. Now treatment. Intramuscular injection of vitamin A or vitamin B are effective in the treatment of phrinoderma. Addition to the topical keratotic helps in the faster clearance of keratotic lesion. Nutrition management may include vitamin A replacement, that is 50,000 to 150,000 U per day for 1 to 4 months. Vitamin A rich foods like liver, carrot, spinach and egg yolk. Supplement linoleic acid using flax flour or linseed oil 2 tablespoons twice daily. Vitamin B12 is found naturally in animal products such as fish, poultry meat, egg. Sources of vitamin E includes nuts such as almond, peanut, hazelnut and vegetable oils such as sunflower, wheat germ, corn and soybean oil. Preventive measures. Having proper healthy diet containing multivitamins, proper caring of skin, looking after for any kind of skin abnormalities, once in a while visit to dermatologist for maintaining healthy skin, not neglecting any sign of skin getting rough or dry. Now we have a take-home message for you, that is, your life doesn't get better by chance, it gets better by chance. Thank you and have a nice day.